There's a lot of welding to do.
That was risky. I'm stoked to be working with D&D with this project. These seats look so good. It matches the theme, super racy. Got the halo carbons. The carbon looks super sick. Matches all the other carbon with the car. Since the last video, I think we've added like 5 new bars to the roll cage. These downward bars, the top crossbar, and the 45s in the corner. That almost finishes up the roll cage. We have to do the back bars. So I want to rip apart this back half of the car, cut that middle frame section out. Since this is a second gen R8, they never came manual. So we are gonna use this Gallardo and first gen R8 transmission. It's an R-tronic, and I'm gonna convert it into a 6-speed manual. So we're gonna cut that section of the frame out, get it out of there, mate the 2J to this transmission, and we're gonna put a first gen Audi R8 / Gallardo trans into the second gen. Let's go. I think that should give us enough room. So we're going with that. I was gonna take the quarter panels off, but I don't see any reason to right now. So I marked where the axle's supposed to be at on both sides. So picture transmission, axle, wheel, tire, wheel, tire. Like the only thing we need to take off. Get all this junk out of here. So much more space. There's so much free space back here. I would love to mount the turbo in the back like that. It looks sick. Maybe not reverse mount, but something like this, center mount. Engine sits really low. Oh, I'm stoked. This is sick. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Now that we got the engine and transmission in place, I kinda have an idea of how I wanna do the rest of the roll cage. So we're gonna make base plates for the back, drill holes to make the back bars go from the main hoop to the base plates. We're gonna have to make some transmission mounts, engine mounts, and an engine plate. I already have a flywheel and clutch. So we're making great progress. And that's it. See you guys next week.